Okay, so I'm not really a mechanic, but I can maybe help somebody here. So this is Volvo Penta 4.3 GL. And as you can tell, I kind of switched cables but forgot to label them properly. Yeah, of course. So just in case you have the same problem, this is the firing sequence, what it says in the manual. But however, when you look at this, you have to kind of read it the proper way. So your firing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if you look at the engine like this. So 2, 4 and 6, and on the other side 1, 3 and 5, right? Like this here, 1, 3 and 5. So you should be looking at setting the first one 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, right? 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That makes sense, right? So if you start here, this should be, you should start from here. This is your 1, 1, 6, right? 1, 6, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's kind of loose here. So 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 again, right? So again, you're looking at the engine, like you're sitting here, you're looking on the stern, and this is how you should put your cables in, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, hope it helps somebody, because kind of helped me. Thank you.